Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on your smart television. Many gamers dream of experiencing their favorite PC titles, like Valorant, on a large screen. While Valorant is designed for PC, there are effective ways to bridge this gap. We will explore two main approaches: directly mirroring your computer and utilizing cloud gaming services. Get ready to transform your living room into an epic battle arena. The most straightforward method involves mirroring your PC's display. You can achieve this with a simple HDMI cable, connecting your computer directly to one of your TV's available ports. For a wireless setup, consider using casting devices such as a Google Chromecast or a smart TV's built-in Miracast feature. This projects your PC screen onto the television, allowing you to play Valorant while your computer handles the processing. Remember to adjust your display settings for optimal resolution. Another excellent option is leveraging cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream Valorant over the internet, much like a video service, directly to your smart TV. The game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your television. You will need a robust internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or higher, to ensure smooth, low-latency gameplay. This method bypasses the need for a high-end local gaming PC. To truly enhance your Valorant experience on the big screen, optimize your setup. Always use a dedicated gaming keyboard and mouse for the best precision and responsiveness. For network stability, connect your PC or smart TV directly to your router using an Ethernet cable, avoiding Wi-Fi whenever possible. Finally, activate your television's game mode setting. This feature typically reduces input lag significantly, making your gameplay feel much more fluid and competitive. Enjoy your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.